Would you believe they were created without a production crew, expensive cameras, or a professional advertising agency? Every single commercial you're watching right now was built inside one tool, Lovart AI. Welcome back to Jack's Prompt AI. If you're new here, this is exactly the kind of thing we do on this channel, so stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to be asking yourself the same question I did the first time I saw these results. Did a professional agency make these, or was this all AI? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I started with nothing more than a simple idea and turned it into a complete premium energy drink brand called Jack's Fuel, complete with a logo, product packaging, marketing assets, and cinematic ads, all inside one platform. So let's jump into Lovart and build it from scratch. Here's the part almost nobody explains correctly, and it's the single most important step in this entire workflow. I don't just open a blank prompt box and start typing. Before I write a single word of my brief, I tell Lovart exactly what kind of creative task I want it to perform. I click the skill icon here. This opens up the skills panel. Inside this panel, I select the branding category from the top tabs, and from there, I choose Logo and Branding. This is the specific skill built for generating logos and a full brand asset collection. Inside the prompt box, I type out my full brand brief. I want to create premium energy drink brand. Lovart immediately takes me into its Canvas workspace and starts asking a few discovery questions to better understand the brand I'm trying to build. This is where a lot of AI tools would just guess, but Lovart actually wants to understand your brand first, and that's exactly why the results end up looking this consistent later on. For the brand direction, I tell Lovart, I want something bold, modern, premium, and memorable. The target audience is people who want high performance and sustained energy. I'm open to your creative recommendations. Lovart now has enough information about the brand and is ready to start the creative process. But before it can generate the first logo concepts, there's one final detail it needs: the brand name. I'll name it Jack's Fuel. Once I submit the name, Lovart begins exploring multiple logo directions, giving me several unique concepts to compare before I choose the one that best represents the brand. And this next part is where things start getting really interesting. To make sure the agent doesn't just hand me one logo and call it done, I tell it, yes, please generate all 4 concepts. I want to compare each creative direction visually before making a final decision. Surprise me with your strongest ideas while keeping the designs premium, distinctive, and suitable for a global energy drink brand. Look at these results. The agent generated 4 completely different logo concepts, and honestly, they all look amazing. The monogram and the fuel cell are both strong contenders. But concept 3, the kinetic word mark, immediately stands out. It's got that relentless forward momentum and minimalist aggression that feels perfect for a global athletic brand. To lock this in, I click directly on the logo so it drops into my prompt box, and I tell the agent, I like concept 3. Let's use this as the foundation for the complete Jack's Fuel brand identity, and continue with the workflow. I hit send. Now the agent offers me a choice: start designing individual packaging assets immediately or build out the core visual system first. And here's a tip that'll save you a ton of headaches later. Always build the foundation first. Once our primary logo is locked in, the agent maps out the complete Jack's Fuel brand system, covering logo variants, colors, typography, visual language, and packaging applications. When it asks how to proceed, we want to lay down the complete visual foundation before designing any individual assets. So I tell the agent, let's build the full brand identity document first. I want this to become the foundation for the brand kit before moving on to marketing assets and product applications. I hit send. Next, to make sure every brand element gets its own dedicated slide without cluttering the layout, I paste in this follow-up prompt. I hit send, and once the generation is complete, watch how the agent builds out a complete, high-end brand identity. A strong brand story, the logo system locked in across different backgrounds, a high-contrast color palette anchored in matte black and electric orange, aggressive typography and a kinetic visual language, a high-energy photography direction, and finally, a look at exactly how everything comes to life on real-world applications. Our matte black energy drink can, apparel, and social media. But here's something most people don't realize you can do. Instead of relying on standard typefaces, you can generate a custom typography direction built specifically for your brand identity. I navigate to the bottom toolbar and click the T icon to open the font generator. In the style description box, I enter this exact prompt. The font should be bold, modern, aggressive, and premium, with sharp uppercase letter forms that convey speed and power. suitable for branding, packaging, and advertising. After Lovart finishes generating, it produces custom uppercase letter forms that match the exact angles and energy of our kinetic word mark. This creates a custom font direction that matches the brand identity we've been building. Before we build our permanent brand kit, we want to save all of these raw design assets directly to our computer. Simply select all of your generated brand identity slides, click the download icon at the top, and choose your format. You can grab standard high-resolution files, or even choose Export PSD if you want layered files to make further adjustments in Photoshop. Now, let's head back to the home page and click on Brand Kit in the menu. Click the Create Brand Kit button. Here's where things get really effortless. Instead of typing everything in manually, we can use Lovart's autofill feature. Just drag and drop all of the high-resolution brand identity files we downloaded earlier directly into the upload area. Give the kit a few seconds to process the images, and look at that. It automatically extracts every element and organizes it into exactly the right place. The logo system, the color codes, the typography rules, and the photography direction. Once it finishes parsing, click Import. You can see all of our logos are now locked into their respective slots. And just to make sure we've got every tool ready to go, I'm going to quickly upload our very first foundational kinetic wordmark logo here as well. Next, let's scroll down to the font section. This part is critical. We want to use that custom typography direction we generated earlier. Click on Font, select from Library, scroll down to My Fonts, choose our custom typeface, and hit Add. Take a moment to review everything and make sure your identity is mapped correctly. Once you're happy with the setup, click Create Project with this kit. The brand kit spins up a fresh project and drops us right back into the main Canvas workspace, ready to launch our full marketing campaign. The moment you enter the workspace, the agent starts analyzing your new brand kit, reading the color contrasts, the typography rules, the logo structures, all of it. Once the analysis is finished, it pops up a prompt asking, "What can I do with this kit?" This is where the magic really happens. We want a full-scale rollout, so I enter this command. Using the Jax Fuel brand kit, generate a complete launch campaign with 15 to 20 brand-consistent marketing assets covering social media, advertising, e-commerce, website, outdoor marketing, product, marketing, and digital campaigns. Keep every asset visually consistent with the approved brand identity. This is Lovart's agent batch generation, which creates multiple consistent campaign assets from the brand kit in one workflow. Before the agent starts generating, I want full control over the visual quality of our campaign, so I'll select the appropriate image or design model for this task. This gives us the visual texture and rendering quality we need for our commercial assets. Once your model is locked in, hit Send, and I'll fast forward through the generation process. Take a look at this canvas. The agent generated 20 complete agency-level marketing assets across distinct touchpoints, from website hero banners and massive city billboards to Amazon e-commerce shots and vertical Instagram stories. And here's the part that really gets me every time. Notice the consistency across the entire grid. Whether it's a smartphone app splash screen or a professional LinkedIn post, every single file strictly follows our Jax Fuel brand kit. Our custom typography, our kinetic word mark, that matte black and electric orange palette, all of it locked in consistently across the board. Without switching software or hiring a single agency, we just built an entire global product launch, ready to ship. Now, here's something that proves this isn't a one-shot tool where you're stuck with whatever the AI hands you. Every single asset in this batch is fully editable. If there's a typo or an unwanted word, simply click directly on that brand asset and hit Edit Text at the top of your screen. You've got full control here. For example, I can select this text that reads Arctic Surge and change it to Ice Voltage. After the agent regenerates it, you get the final corrected image. You can do this exact same thing on the energy drink can to make sure all your product copy lines up perfectly, and it doesn't stop at text. You can also edit the design properties of any asset. Click on Edit Element, and you can easily change text colors, scale up fonts, or adjust sizing to match any specific layout you need. Now, for the moment, we've all been waiting for creating high-converting video ads. And here's the best part. We don't even need to switch tools. We're staying right inside the same workspace. I'll paste in the exact prompt, which is linked down in the video description for you to use. I'll select the appropriate video model available inside Lovart, then hit Send and let the agent work. After Lovart finishes generating, our first video ad is ready. Let's take a look. That looks incredible, right? But for a full-scale campaign, one video isn't enough. We need vertical assets tailored for Instagram Reels and TikTok. So I'll paste in our second prompt and hit send. And once that's finished generating, our second ad is ready. Let's watch. These videos are stunning. Achieving this level of quality and lighting would normally take professional VFX artists and ad agencies significant time to produce, and we generated them right inside Lovart. And you can see how easily this same system adapts to different formats, creating high-performing UGC-style ads for other brands I've built too. If this gave you ideas for your own brand, hit subscribe, drop a comment with what you'd build with this workflow, and I'll see you in the next one.